Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.